We didn't receive the news we were hoping for at my daughter's hearing test on Friday, and it's been incredibly hard to process. We knew her hearing had dropped again, but what we weren't prepared for was what came next. They carried out a conductive bone test to check whether her cochlear is working properly, and unfortunately the results suggested that it may not be functioning as it should, or that there could be an underlying issue in her middle ear causing these problems. She is now severely deaf in her left ear and mild moderate in her right ear, which basically means in her left ear she is one away from being profoundly deaf. The audiologist explained that what they are seeing is rare, and at this stage she couldn't tell us exactly what might be wrong. She said they want to repeat the hearing test in a month, and if the same results appear, India will be referred to a cochlear specialist. That could mean further investigations, including an MRI and possibly genetic testing to try and understand what is happening. She also reassured us that India's hearing test results are consistent, confirming that she isn't imagining this or fibbing. Hearing that brought some relief, but it doesn't take away from how overwhelming this all feels. As a family, this has been a lot to take in. For so long we believed her hearing loss was caused by retracted eardrums, and now we're facing the possibility that something else entirely may be responsible. It's heartbreaking to watch her hearing decline with every test, and to feel so powerless while we wait for answers. Right now, all we can do is take things one step at a time and wait for the next hearing test in a month. We're holding on to hope, but this is a really difficult and emotional moment for us as a family.